As you can see, guys, on the 5 minute time frame, we are creating this pattern. As you can see, we have SFP liquidity sweep fake out going on over there. So entering on the speculation that we are going to get pumped. Now, let me a pump to where I'm not too sure. My chart's kind of messy at the moment, but I'm going to aim for 1 to 2 nevertheless, and see what happens. On the verge of breaking out as of now.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. As you can see here in this video, I am in a long trade from, it's currently 2:30 p.m. I am in this long trade since 9:20 a.m. As you can see, this is my entry point. Let me just clear up the chart a bit. That's my entry. We had a SFP from the low. As you can see, we broke below it and got acceptance back above, getting this rise. We also SFP'd from this low, getting the break back above and retest. As we were moving up, I entered my long, making sure my stop loss was at the low, learning from my mistakes. Targeting a nice little 1 to 2 at the 6.5 from this move here. The Fibonacci retracement tool dragged from the top to the bottom. We get these fib levels, and the 6.5 is a very important level. As you can see, if I turn on the SVP, we have yesterday's value area low, also in confluence in the area. This zone here, which is a must take profit level. I have my alert set for take profit 1. See how price reacts when it gets there. As of now, we're kind of in this inverse head and shoulders pattern. If we break above, then we might have a target of the 0.88, 0.88, which is this level, which is also rather interesting. And let's see if I drag this fib level higher to the top, to the tippity top. We have a 0.5 fib level in confluence with the target of the head and shoulders pattern. And for now, we have broken this resistance trend line, also broken out of this support trend line. You can see how price kind of converged, creating a double bottom. Not only that, creating bullish divergence. As you can see from the RSI, we have higher lows and lower lows. So it's a bullish divergence. Price nearly at TP now. Let's see if we can break above this point of control, as well as today's value area high. And I shall keep you updated. And as you can see here, guys, my trade has hit 40p. As you can see, 0.5 fib level being respected, as well as the head and inverse head and shoulders pattern target, which was drawn from here. If I copy and paste it, you can see I drew it from this low, and I'd classed this as just a liquidity sweep, so invalid. Price always tends to, fall short of the full TP target line. So shortening it instead of doing it from here, doing it from a more conservative place. Also, the reason I drew it from there is because if when I pull out the value area low, you can see, okay, now it doesn't, but before, the value area high was right there, but because of all this price action, it adjusts throughout the day. So yeah, guys, this is a +2 RR on a Tuesday. So I only need 2.5 RR a week to make 10k a month on a 100k account. 2.5 RR a week is very achievable. So let's see how it goes from this day onwards. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This was another Bitcoin A+ setup. As you can see, a little overview. We got a trend line resistance from that high just before the fall, getting respected there, and fought it a little bit here, but as you can see, eventually we broke out, retested it perfectly, and we got the move upwards. Not only that, it was also respected. Here you can see price got held by it, if you excuse the volatility. And yeah, inverse head and shoulders. As you can see here, guys, some people say price chart patterns don't work. I'm here to tell you that they do. Not all the time, but it's, with other confluences, they definitely work. As you can see here, we got the downtrend. That's the first shoulder. We've got the head and the second shoulder. Now, it's not going to be perfect all the time. Like, it's not going to look like this all the time. As you can see here, there's some liquidity. Like, that's the neckline. That's what it's called. As you can see, we got some moves here, which is exactly what happened here. Let me get rid of this. I'll get rid of that, and I'll get rid of that. As you can see, we have a left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. This pattern could it? I don't know. Okay, it just get annoying. But you get the gist. If I move that there, we got to move up either way, so play it out. That's what I'd say anyway. But thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you learned something in this video. And enjoy the rest of your day.